Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Judette and I usually vlog on entrepreneurship and lifestyle. And today I'm going to welcome you to my closet. It's pretty big, but the reason why I'm in here and you're in here is because I am going to the beautiful island of Curacao for the new year. Now, really, to be honest, I haven't traveled in quite some time. I think just about 2 years, because I've been so focused on growing my digital agency that it required all of my money and my time and my efforts, and so I really had to stay put. Now, if you're interested, in the last time I traveled, it was to both South Africa and New York, and I'm going to link the video to South Africa here and the one to New York where I went to my Airbnb apartment. I'm going to put that here as well as in the description box below. But for now, I know you are excited to see what I'm going to pack because this is a packing video. And I'm thinking, if you were going to Curacao, would you pack breezy dresses, shorts, and swimsuits? Well, I'm going to be packing that. So you are going to see what I'm wearing and what I'm packing, and hopefully get to see bits of my closet in the process too. So I know lots of us we like to stride through the airport as we're traveling in comfy clothes, and I'm going to be like super comfortable, but I'm also going to be super sparkly too. I'm going to wear this sparkly number through the airport, but also perhaps for even a New Year's Eve celebration. So this is from J. Crew, which is one of my favorite brands, and I love this. It's like a midi length, so it fits right under my knee, and I have worn it with what? T-shirts, jeans jackets, sparkly tops. It depends on what kind of vibe I'm looking for. So I'm thinking this might be great, and if I pair it with what? Like a t-shirt to tone down the sparkles. I got this from Zara like many moons ago, but Zara always has these kind of silk cotton t-shirts that's really soft, and I'm going to pair it with a t-shirt and maybe a pair of sneakers. Last night, when I want to be a little bit more dramatic, I am thinking that this lace top might be pretty cool. I got this from Cars like 2 years ago. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box below. I think just the texture of lace and the sparkle of silver might be good for a party on the beach. So, of course, since we're talking, I want to be able, when I pack, to have things that I can use interchangeably. When I'm going touring on the island, I have packed, let me see, it's right here. You can't go and have an island vacation without packing a great pair of short shorts. So this is like a basic shorts. I actually cut this from an old jeans that I had. I seldom wear jeans. I prefer the leggings that Spanx makes for, not for undergarments, but for outerwear. So I love that because it's much easier to pack than jeans. And I have one here. But I'm thinking, when you have a basic staple like a jean short, you can dress it up. So for instance, if I pair this with my jeans, of course tucked in, with my jean shorts, with a Panama hat and a cute pair of sandals, it makes a great outfit, even though I can also wear this with my sparkly skirt. So this is pretty much a staple for when I'm doing the basic tours. So another shorts that I'm going to wear, because of course it's still the new year and we want to sparkle in the new year, is my sparkly shorts by Mei Ling, which is a local designer working out of Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm going to put her link in the description box below. This is pretty much a shorts, like right under my butt, but I'm not going to be overexposed. I'm a little bit older, right? So I'm no longer 20 something or even 30 something. So when I wear this, I'm actually going to pair it underneath this Zara sort of tulle kind of look. I'm not going to belt it, but I think I'm just going to wear a bra for sheerness. and I'm going to put this underneath it. And I am seeing this as if I'm going out to dinner in Curacao one night. I want to look sexy. So you can see the underneath the sheerness, the sparkle of the shorts, and I'm going to pair it with high heels, because even though I am going to an island, I am still a girl who is going to die in her high heels, and I'm packing about 2 pairs of heels that I could use. We're still on shorts, so I wanted to show you this particular number. So it is a short pants romper set. And again, because I love to support local designers, but not just support them because they're local, but because their work is so exquisite. So this is by the designer Charu, and I love this combination because it's sort of Caribbean vibe with the bra top and the shorts, but it's high-waisted. And because my tummy is a little bit pudgy, the high waist hides the belly area. There's a plunging neckline with the bra top, and I mean, come on, like, can we ever go wrong with black and white? And I love how you have the solid black, and then you have polka dots, and you have stripes. And this to me is like an ultimate island outfit, and I think I will wear this out if I am going to a cafe or on the island, or maybe if I am heading out for a night on the bridge to see the city as we cross the swing bridge. This might be the outfit that I would wear. So where would you wear this? Like, how would you wear this on an island? Let me know in the comment box below. So my shorts are all taken care of. As you can tell, I'm only taking 3 with me. So let's get into the maxi dresses, because I never really loved maxi dresses because one, I mean, everybody has a best asset, right? So my stomach is not my best asset, but I think my legs are. And I always felt that like a maxi dress would hide my best asset. So I always felt like the maxi dress is like a no-no, but I've sort of been kind of trying on some, and I bought a couple, again from local designers, Mailing and Charu, 2 of my top favorite designers in Trinidad and Tobago. And one of my favorites, I'm also considering this for a New Year's party on the beach, is this beautiful silk. It almost has this nightgown kind of vibe, but one of the reasons why I love it so much is because comfort. I could eat all I want and not have my stomach like look like a round ball, but it has enough sex appeal because it's just off the shoulder. Like how I believe like style, my whole philosophy on style is that you don't have to show off everything to look incredibly fashionable and stylish. And I feel that showing a shoulder is sexy enough without showing much else, and it still has this really elegant appeal. The other maxi dress that I'm taking is this orange number. I've shown you a lot of black and whites and creams, but I love color, and Curacao is such an island for color because the buildings there are vibrantly hued and lots of rich yellows and like outrageous oranges and beautiful blues. And I think against the architecture of the island, now this looks really open, but actually it closes, and I tend to wear, it's belted, and I wear a matching shorts with the belt. It goes right down, and what I love about this is that because it has a slit right down from the waist down to the legs, you get to see my best asset, which I think what I said before, style is about showing off what you love about yourself. So I'm not taking that many maxi dresses. I do have these 2. I'm going to decide which one I'm going to take, because again, I don't want to wear too much white. This is completely feminine. It's extremely long. It has the bow at the neck, and this one is ultra sexy because it has the cutout. So it depends on what kind of look I'm going for. when I pack, I'm going to decide which one I am going to take with me. I have lots of different tops that I can wear with shorts. So these are all by Zara and J. Crew. And again, I'm going to intermix these with the various shorts. Remember, I'm only taking about 3 shorts. And I know that I'm doing the beach, going to tours, and then going to dinner at night or dancing, and I want to be able to go effortlessly from the beach to the tour, to the restaurant, or to the nightclub. And so all of these outfits, as I said before, are completely interchangeable. One of the essential things that I always pack, and I think is really essential, as important as a pair of jeans, is the satin skirt. And the reason why I think it's super important to pack this, number one, like, it doesn't crush, it's so easy to pack, but it's also very, very elegant, and it could go with a t-shirt or halter top or a sparkly dress. Could go with sneakers or slippers or high heels. And I know a lot of brands have their own version. Zara has one, ASOS has the other, J. Crew, I mean, they all have them, all the high street brands. So I got mine from an Italian brand, and I love it. And this is like a super essential piece that I am going to pack. My piece de resistance is this incredible dress. It is vivid orange, and what I love about this number, the hem like goes up and down, and then look at the deep plunging V in this dress, both at the back and at the front. Now, if you're a big boob girl like I am, there's some special taping that I do. I don't know if you do too. There's this bra that I have. I'm going to show you it. And I'm able to like strap it all down and wear dresses like this really, really easily. I love this number. I call it a thread dress because it's made up completely of this kind of fine silver black thread, and I love it because it's one of the pieces you can take from both day to night. And I'm not a conservative dresser at all, but I am cognizant that this is completely see-through, so I might decide to wear it with a high-waisted brief and a bra, or even like a full bodysuit to give me enough coverage, but I'm not sure what kind of vibe I will be in when I wear this. Of course, if you are going to an island, or if you live in an island, you probably have a collection of hats, and I have quite a collection of straw hats. The staple Panama hat, which I think I'm going to wear pretty much with everything. What do you think? You like it? Think it has a vibe? And then I have, okay, I got this one in Italy, in Sicily to be exact, and when I saw it, I'm like, a girl's gotta have it. And okay, so look at this. I know this is pretty odd, but I'm thinking I would never wear the two hats together, right? But I just want to show you what a great vibe it has, and I'm thinking this would go pretty fantastic with my orange dress. And while I'm talking about fantastic, I know you want to see me in a swimsuit, because I want to see me in a swimsuit too after all the Christmas eating. It's not going to be a pretty sight, and that's why I am taking some full coverage wear with me. So talking about looking great, right? So I am taking some swimsuits that offer me great va-va-va-voom, but also a bit of coverage. This is one that I got from a Nigerian-based designer. I saw her work on Instagram and I immediately fell in love with it. And I love this particular number because of the color. But again, I always think about like, how can I take one suitcase with me for a week and still have like pieces that I can use so many times over. So I can use this with my jean shorts that I showed you, and I can also use it with the sparkly shirt that I showed you, skirt, sorry, and I can also use it on the beach because it is a swimsuit. And for the days where I feel that I am under control with the food, I am gonna wear an itsy bitsy bikini. I think that once you have a full body like I do, like I don't sometimes, I think sometimes the tinier the bikini, especially if you're wearing a bikini, it looks so much better on your body than if you wear like something that's big. So I think that, you know, black, you can never go wrong with black. So I'm taking this one. And here's the thing, right? I can sometimes never find a bikini top that looks good on my boobs. And so what I have discovered, and here's a trick for you, go to your local lingerie store and get a great bra. Now, for me, it's about a black bra, and this has so much wonderful support, and it kind of lifts everything all up to my chin. And I use my bra, this bra, that is so sturdy and great on the beach. It doesn't spill out when I'm swimming, and I actually use this with this bikini bottom, and it looks absolutely fabulous. So yeah, so that's it for swimsuits. I know you are anxious to see how I'm going to put it all together, and yeah, it's time for the big reveal. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the box below and let me know what was your favorite outfit and what you would wear if you were taking an island vacation. And don't forget, while you're at it, to turn on the notification bell so that you can get all the videos when I release them. Thanks so much again for watching. Love you. Bye.